Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Hey, today we're going to be talking about flashlight, EDC flashlight. As you can see there, this is a Nicron flashlight. It is the first Nicron that I've had on the channel. So very interested and very happy to get the opportunity to take a look at this light. Now this is the Nicron N7. We're going to zoom out here a little bit. As I said, the Nicron N7, and it really comes in some pretty nondescript packaging. I mean, there's not a whole lot to it. Just a little cardboard box. It does come with an extra O-ring. So you do get that, which is cool. Now as itself, as I said, Nicron N7, aluminum body. You do have a removable stainless steel pocket clip there. Now the body, you've got this nice texturing here to aid and can get a really pretty decent grip on it. Very good gripability for this light. I'm really digging it. Get a good hold of it. As you can see there, you've got a side activated push button for turning it on and off, cycling through your modes. You do have a magnetic base, so really good for if you're working on your car or working near anything where you can have some sort of metal where you can actually just stick it to it. You don't have to hang on to it. But of course with that pocket clip, you could always clip it to the bill of your hat, so on and so forth. Overall, pretty solid built light. As you can see, you got the N7 right there. Nicron right there on the head. Now, the thing about this, and you probably saw it on the box, is this light, or the head, swivels 90 degrees. So if you're in an area where you can sit it down like so, and you need light over here, or if you need light up, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool feature on a little EDC flashlight, especially at this price point. We'll talk about that here in a little bit. But very cool. It does only rotate 90 degrees in one way. It doesn't come this way. You have to rotate it down like so. So it only rotates 90 degrees in one direction. Just shy of 4.5 inches long. Has a single Samsung white LED. Runs on one 14500 lithium ion battery or one AA battery. For our purposes right now, there is a single AA battery in there. So when we go out to take our beam shots later, we're not going to get the full capability of this light, but we'll get a good idea of what the beams look like just the same. It is impact resistant to 1 meter. It's got an IP65 waterproof rating, which means it's basically waterproof in heavy rain, heavy splashing water, or brief submersion. So something to keep. It's definitely not completely waterproof. Let's get a weight on this guy. So we're going to start in ounces. 2.9 ounces. Not too bad. 81 grams. So it's not an over heavily light. Like I said, aluminum body. So it's fairly light. That is with the battery in it. That is with a AA battery inside. And let me make sure I'm not lying to you. Yep, I'm not lying to you. It's got a AA battery in it. I wouldn't want to lie to you guys. Definitely wouldn't want to do that. Carries pretty nice in pocket, in your front pocket. That's kind of where I was carrying it. Now, the way I just stuck the pocket clip on there for now, it's right there. I mean, obviously you've got that would be a larger part of the head sticking out. So you want to turn it around and put it on the back side. Sorry, I know it's not on there, guys. Bad TV. My bad. But there. So when it's in your pocket, you're going to have about, let's see. You have about yay much sticking out. I think a light like this I would keep in the car just because of the simple fact that it's magnetic. So if I had to do some under the hood type work or under vehicle type work, thump, stick that on your hood on the bottom of your vehicle. With it rotating, you can get light several different directions. Pretty cool. I'm digging this little guy. Well, I talked about beam shots. No, we're not going to talk about that yet. We'll talk about the modes of operation. So, I'm going to set the flashlight down here. And when I talk about the modes, I'm going to show you this at the same time. So there you go. You've really got two modes. You power it on, you press a button. You get high, it always comes on high. Press it again, you got low. Press it again, power off. You do have a strobe and an SOS mode. So you turn it on, it comes on in high mode. Press and hold for 2 seconds to activate the strobe. Press it again, you'll have SOS. Press it again, and it goes off. Now, I did talk about the differences. There are a few differences with a lithium ion. Now, with your lithium ion battery, you're supposed to get 600 lumens for on high, 130 on low. Strobe and SOS are on high, both 600. Run times there, hour on high and hour on low. 126 meter distance. Now on a AA with what we have, AA 250 lumens on high, 40 lumens on low. There again, strobe and SOS are in high. 1 hour on high and 3.5 in low with a beam distance of 63 meters. My overall take on this, guys, I mean, I've been kind of saying it the whole time, but I am digging on this little light. It's pretty simple. I mean, you've got the two modes, high and low. Really, you got 4 modes, I guess. High, low, strobe, and SOS. So I don't know if you saw in there, but it said hidden modes. I thought that was kind of funny. But high, low, SOS, strobe. Magnetic base, I'm digging that. The 90-degree head, I'm also digging that. Like I said, pretty lightweight aluminum body. The rotating head, yeah. Now 600 lumens, that's if you had the 14500 lithium ion, 600 lumens, that's a pretty decent amount of light out of a small flashlight. Not bad at all, really. Good solid construction. Yeah, that's a pretty decent light overall. I'm digging it. I'm liking it a lot. Blue liked it. He gave it an 8.5. I think that's very fair. Now this guy, I picked it up on Amazon. I actually picked it up on Amazon from a recommendation on the last flashlight review I did. That would have been on the, oh my goodness, I'm blanking out right at the moment. Oh, the Coast light. Somebody recommended this light, so I was like, sure, okay. $14 on Amazon, guys. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Now I'm still kind of getting into the flashlight game. So the one thing I don't have is a lot of all the super Wamidine batteries, the 14500s and stuff. That's why I only have a AA in here. So I'm going to have to step up my game. Get me a good charger and some rechargeable batteries. But hey, let's go out in the garage, take some beam shots. How's that sound? Hang on, guys. Okay, guys, here we are. We're out in the garage. Now, as you can see there, that's low. Pretty decent beam there. A little bit of halo. That's high, 250 lumens. Low, off, back to high. Press and hold for 2 seconds. Strobe, press again. SOS mode, and then off. Like I said, this always comes on high. Kick it back down to low. Hey, there's my lawnmower. You got low here. There's a decent, it's got a pretty wide beam there. I'm saying I am roughly about 13, I think I measured it out, right about 13 to 14 feet away from the garage door. So you got a pretty good beam of light there. So not too bad. Not too bad at all. All right, let's go back up to the table real quick. Yeah, so there you go, guys. Some decent amount of light coming out of a pretty small flashlight. Now, as I said, this is only running on the AA flashlight. This is so you're only, our max was at 250 and our low was at 40. So still a decent amount of light. Max output 600 lumens on high. So very much so, decent amount of light. Like I said, there's our extra O-ring. Pretty cool little light, guys. I'm very impressed with it. Rotating head, magnetic base, 600 lumens out of a $14 flashlight. That's pretty good. That's pretty darn good. But anyway, guys, as always, thank you very much for spending some time with me today, checking out the Nicron N7 EDC Flashlight. As always, guys, like, subscribe, leave me a comment down there. I love talking to y'all. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all later, guys. Bye-bye.